So the question is, how do you save your marriage? Generally, if you're asking this question, you're in a very dark place, very precarious place, and your marriage may be on life support. And so the first and most critical thing you can do is begin to pray and ask God to intervene in your marriage and in your heart and in the heart of your spouse. It's not one sided. And then the second thing you need to do is you need to reach out for help. There is no quick fix, quick answer. You are going to need to have somebody walk you through resolving the things that have driven you apart. You know, as couples, we don't just get to a place of being on the brink of divorce overnight. It builds up. It's a lot of things that happen over and over again. There are hurts that go unresolved. There are communication issues that don't take place, expectations that go unmet. And that's if you don't have things like abuse or other things that are happening with inside the relationship that aren't just unhealthy, they're dangerous. And so we've got to really unpack all of those things. And so, first of all, you need to give yourself a little bit of breathing room. And remember, as a couple, if you don't work on your problems as a team, what'll end up happening is you'll stay in an adversarial relationship. So, first thing you want to do is you want to begin to pray. Ask God just to intervene in the relationship. Ask Him to deal with your heart, your spouse's heart. But then, secondarily, you're going to have to take the bold step and reach out for some help. Reach out to a pastor, a marriage counselor, marriage therapist, somebody in your area who can be of help to you. And then you're going to want to walk through that process with them. And that may be a number of weeks. Most likely, it's going to be a number of months. And it may even be check ins from time to time over a period of years. But if you will make the commitment to work that through, then you have a high chance of salvaging your marriage. But both parties have to be committed. Now, sometimes one party may be more committed to fixing the marriage than the other. And so you're going to have to start from the place you find yourself. You can't force the other person to do the right thing, but you can do the right thing. You can begin to work on you to improve the things that you have control over. And so that's where I want to leave you today. If you need a place to get started, we have a downloadable guide. Go to hopeformymarriage.com, download that. It's a good starting point to at least get the conversation going and get you moving in the right direction. Talk to you soon.